Hey guys, how's it going today? Just wanted to do a real quick video here on Under Armour. Huge drop today, 23.66%. Now this thing's been under a lot of pressure for quite some time. Going back, when did this start? Looks like it started in early 2016. This thing has just been one of the worst performing stocks in the S&P 500. And I really wouldn't want to touch this thing with a 10-foot pole. Due to just the eroding market share that they have, increased competition. Even large retailers like Nike have been struggling as of lately. And just a personal experience with the company, I actually really love Under Armour stuff, but here in Canada, when I try to order online, I can't even order. So I mean, if the company can't even get their online retail in order, how much confidence can you have in the company? So this huge drop here today was primarily just because of their earnings. It also shows here that Adidas, which I find a little surprising, is continuing to take market share from Under Armour here. As it says here, Adidas in the region rose 24% in 2016, and that's pretty huge. And it's up 32% in the first half of this year. I didn't expect that from Adidas. If you guys could make some comments down below about that, how popular you think Adidas is. But I found that quite interesting. But the big news here is, again, that they missed analyst estimates here. So it was 1.41 billion in the third quarter. And the estimates from analysts were about 1.48. So it was a huge miss. And that's just continued to propel the stock down. The other thing here I noticed, if you wanted to look at some good news, is that there was this patent lawsuit that Lululemon was pushing against Under Armour here, and they've dropped it. So that might be a little bit of minor positive news on the company. One of the main reasons that I brought it up today here, though, was I've been watching it. I wouldn't want to invest in this company in terms of a long-term investment, but if there's an opportunity to make a little short-term game on it, I do trade that. Every now and then, if I see an opportunity, I'll put a video out. I'll also buy in. I expect this thing to pop up a little bit. And I'm not a huge technical analysis trader here, but like I've showed in one of my other videos here, RSI is a really good indication of something that's overbought or oversold. And as you can see down here, we're sitting at 24. Anywhere near the 20 zone is way oversold. And we did see a miss today, like I said, but this has been a pretty huge drop. We might see a little bit of a dead cat bounce. So I'm thinking of getting in tomorrow morning. Is just personally what I'm going to do. See a little bit of a gain and then get out because I wouldn't want to be in this long term. But I just wanted to do a little update on this stock today. I've been watching for quite some time. I expect over the long term that it's going to drop a little bit lower. There was actually a analyst that lowered their price target to 11 something now. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it go down to that level. But I think we're going to see a little bit of a bounce before that happens. Anyway, have a good day, guys. Talk to you later.